Hello guys, so today we will learn about GST report or GST invoice from Amazon. As you know, Amazon charges us GST in every fees, closing fees or in shipping charges. So these are the GST which we are paying to Amazon. So Amazon gives you a proper invoice for that particular GST which we can apply to government and ask for the refund. So how you can get that invoice in Amazon? So for that you need to click on this three line. Go to report and click on tax document library. After clicking on tax document library, click on seller fee invoice. As you can check, you will get start date and end date. You have to select your month. For example, last month was June. So here we have 4 invoices provided from Amazon. So I'm just opening one for you. I will just open one. As you can check, it is a 6-page PDF. So if you scroll down, you don't need to enter each and every stuff mentioned in the PDF. This small box is more important. Like here it is showing you subtotal fees, which is 34,700, subtotal IGST this much, total invoice this much. That's it. Means this invoice consists of total 34,798 rupees. The total invoice in this complete sheet is 6,263. So you have to mention this in your tally or forward this report to your CA. So you can apply for the GST claim. So here my student has received 4 different invoices. So according to you, you need to check how many invoices you have generated for that particular month and you can apply for that. So this is the way you can find your money which you have already given to Amazon and claim it back to you, which would really be helpful. As you know, we just open one invoice and you can check in this invoice 6,263 was the amount he can claim and get it back. So just imagine there are total 4 invoices. So amount is very big. Many of the sellers just forget to claim that amount and it is a complete loss for them. So make sure you don't make such losses. Please make sure you are writing each and everything in your notebook or in your mobile phone. So whenever you are at the end of the month or start of any month, you can go to this particular portal and ask for the invoice. And after downloading the invoice, you can go to the government and ask for the refund. Thank you so much.